He say he's just a friend. If I was your best friend, I want you around all the time. I want you around all the time. Could I be your best friend? If you...
What's up, Double M Mafia? If you haven't read the title today, we are doing a How We Met mukbang. Mukbang.
We need some oxtails. Motherfuckers hitting, y'all.
You want me to start off or you gonna start off on how we met?
Alright, so
I slid in his DMs.
Alright, so y'all, we've been following each other since I believe high school. High school? I've been following you for a minute. I just never acknowledged you because you was ugly back then.
Really?
You was ugly as hell.
Damn, this shit's spicy.
I met her on Instagram.
Really, both Instagram and Snapchat.
No, you talked to me on Snapchat. You try to get. You think I used my sister to get to you? When you was in my DMs and you was messaging me.
He posts his sister all the time.
So that's my sister. You fell for the trick.
I'm pretty sure she in one of our videos. Before this, after this, she in our videos. She is so cute. So I was like, let me hang out with your sister. And he's like, oh no, you can't hang out with her unless you hang out with me. So what that tell you? What that tell you? He used his sister to get girls. He used his sister. We basically met because of his little sister. If he wasn't posting her, I would never talk to his pea-headed ass. So, long story short, we met on Snapchat, and then he took me on a date.
Went to the movies. The simplest shit ever. She kept pissing me off, so I threw gummy worms at her.
He said I was too quiet. Ain't he rude?
You was quiet. You get in my quiet. You get in my car. Don't say nothing. So I threw gummy worms at her to wake up, and she started to get out of it a little bit. So I just started throwing more gummy bears, more gummy worms. Threw it right in her face.
He really did.
You still here?
Duh!
Is this a little rice and peas?
We got the same thing. He wanna eat my food.
I got white rice. You got rice and peas. It's two different foods.
Two different foods or two different rices?
It's two different foods. A rice is a food. But y'all, this is how we met. And then she used to come at my house at 5 o'clock in the morning. And she'll come back home. No, she'll come at my house that night. And then she'll leave at 5 o'clock in the morning to go back home. She was coming to get some.
He a lie. He was trying to hide me from his mama. He was trying to hide me from his mama. He said we wasn't supposed to last this long.
I didn't say that.
So, if you ever see a guy posting a little girl, don't fall for it. Don't fall for it. And then it took like 2 dates after me hanging out with him before I actually did get to hang out with his little sister. I took his sister and my niece to Build-A-Bear. And then he would blow me up. Like, my sister okay? What my sister doing?
You damn right. I don't trust your ass. All them niggas you was talking to.
Boy, shut up.
She was still talking to her ex while she was talking to me. And then she was lying about it. Act like I ain't know. Doesn't trust female.
That's not true. Hold on. The whole time We was talking. He had a whole girlfriend. A whole girlfriend.
No, I didn't.
Yes, he did.
No, I didn't.
The bitch broke his leg. He had me take care of him. Tell them that. Yeah. Yeah.
Why would you tell them that shit? Alright.
I'm just lying. That's a made up story in my head. You had to pour water on me though?
You had to put me on blast like that? Now where did she see this video?
Well, sis, he cheated on you. See, you can't trust these niggas. Don't trust these niggas. Don't trust these niggas. Don't trust these niggas. He is tearing his food up. I just can't multitask. I can't eat and
Yeah, I don't know why she trying to fake like she don't eat on camera. This motherfucker be killing that shit. She'll be done before me. I don't know why she trying to flex like she.
I'm trying to talk to them.
Girl,
Trying to give them content.
Show them how you normally eat. Going to kill them ourselves. Yeah, did that food in that plate. Get your ass down there, eat that food.
This one hard.
Awkward solids. You gonna talk?
You told me to eat.
We trying to do better with the video situation, y'all. Get y'all more videos and more pranks, but it's kind of hard because I'm not here during the week. I'm only here during the weekend, and when I get home, I'll be tired as hell.
It's really true. He barely has time for me, guys. So don't feel no way. Oh shit.
I told you that's how she eat, y'all. You see dropping oxtails and stuff.
Why did I feel like our How We Met story was so much longer? That was really a quick story.
We used to go on dates all the time. And then you snuck me in your house one time.
No, I didn't. We was Netflixing and chilling.
We used to go downstairs.
No, we didn't.
Remember the first time we went downstairs? Remember that?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You remember we went downstairs? You took me downstairs?
What happened downstairs?
You remember what happened downstairs?
You
reckon like you never took none before. That just happened when you went downstairs.
What? I don't even know what to say. I'm just eat my rice.
And you start texting all your friends and cam them. Remember that? You told me and they told me.
What?
Talking about that. Oh!
You are all lie. I
Okay.
texted them and told them about when we went on that one date to Fellini's.
She made me mad 'cause she kept lying, y'all.
No, I did
And I
not.
think she was lying.
I should have known he was crazy.
She pissed me off one time. I kicked her out my car.
He tried to kick me out.
You got out and
No,
I was
didn't.
just playing.
I did not.
You got out and started walking. Cause I was like,
I did not get out on that dark
I swear to God.
road.
And you start crying. I was like, I'm
No,
gonna call
I
Baby
didn't.
D if you don't get out my car. You got a cousin who'll come beat your ass. And then you
No, I didn't get out. I said, you pick me up from home, you're going to take me home.
You got out, y'all. I'm trying to tell you.
No, I didn't.
You got out.
No, I didn't.
We got a weird story on how we first started talking, y'all. Very weird. Weird.
It was kind of on and off in the beginning. Because we started off as close friends.
Wasn't close friends, bro. Barely liked your ass.
You love me.
Now I do.
You love me then, you love me now.
I didn't love you at all then.
Boy, stop
I
lying.
did.
That's why I hope Shawty see this. And she hit you up and curse you out.
It's over. I'm done.
Bye. Anybody want to take his place? Hit my DM. He's back. You missed the opportunity.
She She had hit me up.
Who hit you up? This is really spicy.
It is, but it's good.
It's not really all that hot. I normally like hot food.
Let me tell y'all the dumb shit she do. So we went to this first Jamaican restaurant, right, y'all? Alright, so she wanted rice. She wanted white rice, right?
With curry goat.
With curry goat. Okay. They didn't have it. So we left and went to another one. Right? Once we left, the battery finna die. Once we left, went to another one. And she got rice and beans. The same thing the other store had.
I didn't want that curry.
Alright, y'all, our camera finna die. We got more videos coming soon. Hope y'all like the video. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Snapchat. Follow us on Twitter.
In the description below.
So I tell spicy.
Follow me at pretty_only.
And Ben.Cash. I changed my name like 4 times because bitches, they all be all over my shit. And I got a beautiful girlfriend and I don't want no problems. But
like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Tell your mama, tell your auntie, tell your granny, tell your baby mama, tell everybody come subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay. What? What's that?
Alright, y'all. We'll see y'all later.
Bye.
Bye.
All the time.